Hi guys, so today we are going to be reviewing the Womier K68. Let's look at some of these specs. So it has a 65% layout compact, wired RGB keyboard, Type-C USB connection, wire length of 1.5, custom hot swappable switches, adjustable backlight modes, keyboard RGB and a round light RGB, a total of 68 keys and a 3-layered acrylic panel. If you are interested in this item, I will leave the Amazon link in the description below. Let's move on to unboxing. The keyboard comes in a standard cardboard box with a provided manual. It also comes with a key puller as well as a keyboard brush and a USB-C. Take a closer look at the different parts of the keyboard. Feel free to pause the video at this time. Now, the typing test. Now for the fun part, RGB. Hold down function and the right control to change the backlight of the keyboard. Hold function again, but now press the left control to change the backlighting around the keyboard. Something I wanted to show you was that if you hold function but press spacebar, you can select any custom color that you want. So for example, I am going to click on blue, and now it's all blue. And you can do this again by pressing function and space. I wanted to show you guys what it looked like on the back, just so that you know. As you can see, it's strictly on the outer, and now with the whole backlit, this is what it looks like. So it claims to come with a software that you can customize the RGB, however, upon plugging it in, no software loaded for me, but I will double check the manual. Final thoughts? Well, I really enjoyed this keyboard. I love the RGB, I love the sound of the Gateron red switches, and I highly recommend this keyboard for anyone that's looking for something budget friendly. I hope you guys liked this video. Please leave a thumbs up, a comment, and feel free to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next one.